Good morning, students. Yesterday I have explained you the exercises A, B, C of lesson 3 phrases and clauses. Today I am going to explain you the exercises D, E, F, G of lesson 3 phrases and clauses. As you all know, in exercise D, we have to complete the sentences by suitable clauses. First of all, I let you know what is clauses. As I have explained you about the clause. Clauses are groups of words which contain a subject and a predicate of their own. They can be independent sentence. It means it has their independent meaning. Okay, clear? Now come to the exercise D. Supply suitable clauses to complete the following sentences. Now in this exercise, we have to complete these sentences with the help of suitable clauses. Come to the exercise sentence number 1. My brother said. So you have to add the proper clause. Now that he was going to play. Now it is the clause and the sentence completed. Come to the second. I really wonder how scientist SCIENTIST scientists do great inventions. Clear? Our second sentence is also completed with correct clause. Come to the third. Dash, what was the matter? So, right here, I could not understand. I could not understand. It is a clause. Come to the fourth sentence. Dash, if he doesn't come, we will go to the party. If he doesn't come. Now come to the fifth sentence. People are worried about how to control global warming. Okay, so we have completed exercise D of lesson 3 by adding suitable clauses. You all know that what is clause? Clause is the sentence. Clause is a group of words which has subject and verb. Now come to the exercise E. Replace the clauses. Replace means you have to change the place. The clauses below with appropriate phrases. Clear? First is done. I know the boy who is wearing a red shirt. So this is the clause who is wearing a red shirt. So it is changed into in a red shirt, which is the phrase. Clear? Now come to the second sentence of exercise E. The players who had got tired were given refreshment. For this sentence, we have to add proper phrase. The tired players. The players who had got tired. The tired players were given refreshment. Full stop. Come to the third sentence. I shall not move from here until you return. I shall wait. I shall not move. I shall wait. I shall wait here until he returns. Full stop. Next, I do not know where he came. I do not know. I do not know his coming time. Full stop. I do not know when he came. I do not know his coming time. It is a phrase. Please let me know why you skipped the test. Okay? We have to convert these clause into a phrase. Please let me know reason of skipping, skipping, skipping the test. Clear? Now come to the exercise F. Make sentences using the clauses and phrases given below. In column A, you have given some clauses. In column B, you have given some phrases. So you have to make sentence by adding clauses to phrases. Clear? I shall meet you at the bus stop. Then it becomes a complete sentence. Clear? The Indian flag flew at the Red Fort. Clear? The monk stood on one leg. We went to Agra by train. He is a teacher with great knowledge. Number 6. I met a tourist of African origin. Clear? Now your exercise of clauses and phrases completed. Students, it's all for today. We will discuss next exercise G tomorrow. Clear? Okay, thank you.